In front of me is Xiaomi Black Shark 4, and let me show you how to change video resolution on this device. So at first, enter the camera app, let's switch to video mode, and tap on more icon. And here, at the top of the list, you will find several options of the recording quality. So, for example, if you want to record in 4K, just mark it, and now you can smoothly record in highest quality, higher possible quality in this Xiaomi. But obviously, you can pick the lowest or any other. Just pick the one that you want to use. So this is it, and now you can smoothly record in this video mode. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.